investigation has proven that 2/3 of all collisions in build-up areas occur at junctions. Many leads to serious casualty, death, and extensive damage most times because of massive force of collision, be it motorists, cyclists, or even pedestrians. The major causes of accidents at junctions are as follows. Number 1, impatience. Impatience, which is virtually the mother of all factors. Number 2, refusal to match brake to reduce speed when approaching junctions. Number 3, refusal to observe oncoming vehicles from all angles before zooming off in your uniform speed or acceleration. Number 4, overconfidence. Overconfidence of the motorist, cyclist, or pedestrian in a bid to quickly outsmart the oncoming ones from the other angles or corners at the junction. Number 5, disobeying traffic laws, that is the do and don'ts. For example, disobeying traffic signals, traffic signs, and traffic signals like red light, and correct usage of trafficators, etc. You can see yourself from this video. I can boldly assure you that if all road users can adhere and obey all these factors I mentioned, we will barely have record of accident at junction. This message is brought to you by Engineer Dele Abu, Delecstech channel. Safety and security is everybody's responsibility and obligation. Therefore, please like, comment, and share to promote safety. Remember, if you are not safety conscious, you may end up unconscious. You can also visit Delecstech at the YouTube channel.